Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to find tracking number on DHgate. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to dhgate.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to this website. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us. As you can see, you have the search bar, all of the categories, and in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile, recently viewed, favorites, and the shopping cart. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and find tracking number on DHgate. It is pretty simple. The thing that you need to firstly do is go to the top right corner as we were in the, as I showed you earlier. So here and here, all these options. So you have my DHgate, my orders, my reviews, my coupons, my favorites, my buying request. Out of all of those, you need to go and click on my orders. So basically click on my orders, then this will pop out. Here, as you can see, you have a lot of options, and here you don't need to go and check out the my orders, but we want to concentrate on shortcuts, where we have my orders, my favorites, purchase history, my coupons, my profile, and order tracking, where we need to go and click on that. And here you'll have the track number of the tracking of the order. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I'll be guys asking you if you could go and like this video, share it, subscribe to this channel, and put the notifications on, as this really guys helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, that is everything. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.